kamiti ya urugamiriri wa kiama kia Jubilee na ya abunge ya kiama kiu kiria kirathana icemanitie muthenya wa Jumatatu na kuiguithaniria gwitia kigomano kia amemba a kiama kiu gucirira maundu matiganite maria marakihutia. Hamwe na maundu maria kigomano kiu kiria gitanyitwo gugatabanio tariki 25 kana muthiaine wa mweri uyu wa 11 ni kuhamurithia kaimana atongoria aria othe mathurirwo na tigiti wa Jubilee no ni magarukite kiama munini wa President William Ruto uria ni munini wa mutongoria wa kiama kiu hamwe na atongoria aria mari a Jubilee no riu mari UDA magitanyo kuhamurithio.
That is actually in the constitution. I think it should just concern you as much as it could concern us, as it should concern us.
I'm sure it concerns all the
and I'm sure it concerns you. Well, I've addressed this. I've addressed this before. I mean, there's so many wars to be fought, and we have to choose what war you want to fight at what time. The NDC is the highest party organ, and whatever the NDC decides prevails.
Kigomano kiu oho gigitanyo gukindira itua ria Jubilee guthie githurano-ini kia mwaka ukite kiri ngwataniro na kiama kia ODM na kurugamia muhuraniri umwe wa giturwa kia president.
Our discussions with the ODM are ongoing. There are discussions which have been done at our level, and there are discussions which are done at the level of the two party leaders, and we want to make sure that this country can be assured that the next leadership of this country will not be those that Kenyans may have doubt on. We don't want Kenyans to elect thieves to run this country going forward.
Kigomano kiu no gitanyitwo gukindira mithingi ya kiama kiu kia Jubilee na guthurima mawatho ma ciama cia kiuteti ari mehariria ma githurano kinene giukite.
Thutha wa kiama giki kia Jubilee gukorwo gitari giatabania mucemanio wa amemba arumiriri akio kuma o mwaka wa 2017 riria giathukiirwo utongoria wa bururi uyu, undu uria utumite amwe a aria makoretwo magigithama morote utongoria wakio. Riu mucemanio uyu uraririo ni kigeri kiiganu kia mehariria ma nyumba ino ya Jubilee mbere ya githurano kinene kiria gitigaritie mieri 9 tu gitabanio. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV kuma guku Nairobi, njithagwo Harun Njoroge wa Maina.